Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dicta, by the way, and if today is your first time watching any of my videos, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you subscribe, obviously. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a healthy smoothie alternative we can inculcate in our day-to-day diet that is going to replace the normal sugary snacks and drinks we have on the market. So it's very easy that in our day-to-day lifestyle we will keep on repeating the same things you see on the market, that is the sugary drinks, the yogurt, the pie, all those things on the market, because we are busy and we don't have time to sit down and then find something healthy to eat. So this recipe is very easy on the go. You can carry it with you throughout the day. You can even keep it for a couple of days, and it's very healthy. So with this recipe, all that you need is a pineapple, a banana, and then orange or pineapple juice. Normally with a lot of smoothies, people prefer to use water, but I think using lemon juice or pineapple juice or apple juice, whatever natural juice you have, makes it a lot more healthy and a lot more tasty than the normal water you would add. So as I already said, the ingredients you need is a pineapple, you need a banana, you need ginger, and then cinnamon. The cinnamon is not really compulsory. Again, it's just to give it a little bit of taste. If you don't have it, it's perfectly okay. And then your juice, that can be the lemon, the orange, or whatever juice you prefer. So what you do is you first put your juice in the blender. Let the juice be the first thing you put in the blender before anything else. Then on top of the juice, you add your pineapple, then your banana, then your ginger or your cinnamon, and then you blend it all together. You put the juice before you put anything else in the blender, because that helps it blend a lot more nicer and a lot more smoother. So after you are done blending it, you put it in your bottle or your cup, and then you can carry it with you throughout the day, and then you can snack on it if you feel like taking anything at all, rather than always buying the things that are on the market and are very bad for you. So I hope you give this recipe a try. It's very easy, it's very simple. Pineapples are normally not that expensive. I think they're in season, and then banana is also not that expensive. For ginger, you can get a whole bunch for just 1 Ghana cedi. And then for the cinnamon, you can find some in supermarkets and then people who sell spices. But if you are not able to come across one, it's perfectly fine. The ginger will do just fine. And I hope you give it a try. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and then subscribe. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.